In this video, we explain how to solve an integral using the repeated integration by parts method. First, let us look at the theory. We have seen that in the integration by parts formula, we shift from calculating the antiderivative of g times h prime to calculating the antiderivative of g prime times h. In some cases, the new integral can be solved using integration by parts. This is what we call repeated integration by parts. Now, let us look at an example to see how this works. We can use a step-by-step plan to calculate the integral of x squared times e to the power of minus x. Step 1. Determine the functions g of x and h prime of x, such that f of x is equal to their product. These functions must be chosen in a way that g prime and h are easy to calculate. In our example, the most convenient choice is g equal to x squared and h prime equal to e to the power of minus x. Step 2. Determine g prime of x and h of x. To find g prime, we differentiate g. The derivative of x squared is 2x. We calculate h by integrating h prime. The antiderivative of e to the power of minus x is minus e to the power of minus x. Step 3. Use the integration by parts formula to find the integral of f of x. We substitute g, h, and g prime into the formula. That gives x squared times minus e to the power of minus x, minus the integral of 2x times minus e to the power of minus x. And if we simplify this, we find that the expression is equal to minus x squared e to the power of minus x, plus the integral of 2x times e to the power of minus x. Step 4. Determine the integral of g prime of x times h of x, using the integration by parts formula again. The integral of 2x times e to the power of minus x is equal to 2 times the quantity minus x times e to the power of minus x minus e to the power of minus x, where the factor 2 was taken out of the integral. Step 5. Merge the results of step 3 and step 4. Substituting the result from step 4 into step 3 gives us the solution to the integral of x squared times e to the power of minus x, which is minus x squared times e to the power of minus x plus 2 times minus x times e to the power of minus x minus e to the power of minus x plus the constant of integration c. This concludes the example. Thanks for watching.